teacher Kurt Talere.
And Nicole Banawag.
And welcome to our vlog. So today, we'll be talking about something that affects all of us, climate change.
We'll explore what's really happening to our planet, what causes it, and most importantly, what we can do to help.
So stay tuned.
And let's learn how small actions
Can make a big difference.
Warang, kababaintay bisita mo at umay, iwas sakit kino estudyante, kino maiano tayo dito ang si kanal, saan nga maibarado ayan si kanal, mga malayo si kanal.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
A fellow student, what actions can students help to fight climate change?
First of all, is the implementation of Tulutko Maturako for us to have a better community and a clean environment, and for us also to have the advantages of a clean surroundings, and for us also to live with a safer and clean community. Second is for us to think before we throw our trashes, because there's a saying that our trashes is our treasure. Our treasure, like where trashes is our treasure, we must consider that trashes is also our asset of life, where we're going to pick it and earn it for us to have to earn and to monetize something.
That's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed and learn more about climate change. Don't forget to like, share, and spread awareness.